Welcome to Swellpro product tutorial videos. This video will show you the process of unboxing the SplashDrone 3 Plus. Open the case. Unclip the safety buckle. This is the SplashDrone 3 Plus aircraft. The remote controller. The balance charger for charging the drone and the remote controller batteries. Power cable. One complete set of propellers. Landing gear. Bag of accessories, including 4 S battery charging cable for the drone battery, 2 S battery charging cable for the remote controller battery, charger cable, remote controller neck strap, USB cable for updating the drone firmware, waterproof membrane protector, spare waterproof membrane, spare rubber feet, hex Allen key for small adjustments, remote control pairing jumper, 2.4G and 5.8G antennas, SplashDrone 3 Plus user manual, balance charger user manual. These components are all included with the SplashDrone 3 Plus base platform. Thank you for watching.